eShepherd neckbands have arrived. The first step you got to do is take the neckbands out of the box and hang them on a fence or corral fence, like one of these corrals here. Charging your eShepherd neckbands properly is very important. As you can see here, we've got a bunch of neckbands on this fence pointing south. They've been charged up, connected to our base station, and they're blinking away. For 2 to 3 days at least, sometimes 4 days, depends how sunny or overcast the days are. Once they're charged up, we turn the neckbands on. You're going to be arrived with a magnetic key. You attach it to the neckband, and when it turns on, it only takes 2 or 3 seconds to turn the neckband on, and it'll start blinking green. And after this blinking green, it means that it has communicated with the cellular tower or the base station, whatever unit you're trying to use. From there, you're ready to go into business with putting on the neckbands on the livestock. We provide an Excel spreadsheet that has all the serial numbers on it. What we do with those, we attach them when they're being neckband, the regular ID tag on these livestock here, such as L31C, cross-reference, so when the rancher's out on the range area, he can look at that's that cow and wearing that neckband. That cross-references when they look on their computer, their smartphone, their iPad, or whatever they're using to track these cows. They can see which cow is which. And the cows are GPS'd,